Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a sketch flow up of Lord Krishna. Today is Janmashtmi, so I thought why not to do this. This makes every sketch look a lot more beautiful, so I did this. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So actually I forgot to record the video of this one while I was doing work. I forgot it. I didn't notice that it is being recorded or not. It happens sometimes. So here's the detail layer breakdown of this artwork. Okay. So here I used a curves layer. You can see the settings. I didn't want it contrast, so I didn't added this thing, something like this. Okay, you can add whatever you want. I didn't saw the need of it actually. Then I used here a solid green color, and I used outer glow for it to make it pop up a bit more. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so here then I used exposure layer over here to make some bright light coming from behind. Then I used orange layer or orange color here. Then I duplicated the layer and put that on color dodge. Then I made some soft highlights over here. You can see here the orange highlights. Then I duplicated the layer and put the layer on color dodge, and then I erased it from some areas where I didn't wanted it to. We can't make bright highlights all over the sketch, right? So then I made some soft highlights of blue color over here, you can see. And you are noticing that all on the layers I've used blend if. Okay, this is because I wanted the color to not overlay over these black lines. Then I used this blue highlights again and put that on color dodge again and again. Again, just once. Okay, this makes the color pop up a bit more and makes this more beautiful. Then I used this green color. I made some highlights and then again the color dodge. Then I used here I just painted with some soft round brush a color over here, and then I gave it a outer glow. You can see the settings. I always put that on screen. You can use whatever blend mode you want to. Then again here the blue color, and then again it to color dodge. And then after all, this was the camera raw filter and this is the result. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe it and press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from us. Till our next video, take care and stay tuned.